said, before entering into this topic, business research methodology, first we have to understand what is the meaning of research. Okay, so I have already written here, it is a systematic investigation into and study of material and source in order to establish fact and reach new conclusion. Okay, or it is defined as the creation of new knowledge. Can anybody say why we need to do a research? What is the need for us to do a research? You can read it over here. What I have written, it is the creation of new knowledge and or the use of an existing knowledge. Okay, why we need to create a new knowledge? Okay, let me explain this. See, we need a research in order to find out a solution. Why we need to find out a solution? Because we are facing some problem. Okay, so it is not systematic investigation into, which means when we are doing some research, there are two ways. One way is systematically or unsystematically. So when you are having a certain problem, in order to resolve it, you will go through two ways. One is systematic way in order to find out a problem. Sorry, in order to find out a solution. So when you say a solution, you will get lots of solution, but you really don't know which solution you want to use it for an accurate, uh, that is which will make your problem to get resolved, or which solution will be apt for your problem to get resolved. Okay, so that is why I have mentioned it as a systematic and unsystematic. When you are using a systematic way of finding out something in order to resolve your issues, or systematic way of resolving your problem, okay, so that will help you to increase your quality solution. You will come into a quality solution when you are having a systematic way of research. When you do an unsystematic way of research, the accurate of your problem getting solved will be very less. Okay, so that is why I have mentioned here, you will be having a problem, you will be having a solution. But solution, you may get a solution that will be totally depend upon systematically or unsystematically. If it is systematically researched, then you will get an accurate solution. If it is an unsystematically, you will get lots of solution, but you really don't know which solution should be implemented in an exact way. Okay, so can you see here, as I have mentioned here, research, it is a process of systematic activities to reach a solution of existing problem. Okay, see, when anyone is doing a research, it should be scientific, systematic, careful, extraneous. Okay, so when I say scientific, scientific means based upon what is the truth. Okay, not based upon your assumption. Whatever the researcher have done a research, or whatever the researcher has published their journals, okay, so they might have done lots of, or they might have taken lots of reference in order to come to a conclusion. Okay, so that is called it as a scientific method. Okay, when we say that it is not scientific, which means based upon our assumption, or based upon what the other people are saying, you are taking their view, or I can say it as a common sense. People usually use this word called common sense because these can be understandable by what you have saw with your environment. But when I say scientifically, it is a proper research or systematic research done by many researchers, okay, and they have published it, and then after collecting all